quiet. Gotta get in.
No! A thief came and stole my precious red egg! Please, help me! Help! Help! Help me! Someone help me!
I can't believe I stole an egg! This is worse than stealing a diamond!
My baby! My baby is gone! No! Please, not another one! My blue egg! My baby! Help! Help! Help me!
Shh, quiet now.
My babies! My babies are gone! Please! Gone!
What happened? Why are you crying so much?
A thief came and stole my precious eggs! All of them! Please help me!
Come on, boy. Let's track down that thief.
Oh no! They're coming! Run! Run! Your egg is safe.
Come on now, little ones. Your mama's waiting.